Hello everyone, my name is Benny. My full name Benny Marcus Lain. You can call me Benny. I live in Jalan Gib Joshua, Medan Perjuangan. In my family, I am the last child. I have 2 older sisters and 1 older brother. My hobbies are playing game, football, and badminton. I am a student at HKBP Namensen University, and my major is Computer Information Engineer. I am in semester 1. I was born in Medan, February 7, 2006. Now, I am 19 years old and I am still single. My phone number 0821 7386 2566. Thank you for attention. I hope my personal information is enough to answer what your question about me. One more again, thank you.